Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Jevizo Och Official. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to develop a C++ program to print such kind of triangle pattern, right? So what you need to do is just to keep watching this video until the end so that you will be able to develop it step by step. And as you know, we are going to use a nested loop in order to print this a kind of pattern program as a triangle. So without spending much more time, let's get started. I think everything is right now. We can start. So let us start with loop for rows. Let int I, which is equal to 1, then I less than or equal to 5, and I increment from 1 to 5. Then after creating this loop, we need also to create another loop inside of this one. So we need to create another loop for columns for int j, which is equal to 1 also, then j less than or equal to 5, and also here j increment from 1 to 5. Then after this one, now we need to set a condition where our program will print star, right? So as you see on this figure, in our shape, we have a star where I plus j is greater or equal to 6, right? As you see. So that's why we need to set condition here. Says that if I plus j greater or equal to 6, in this case we print ctd south, we print here star like this, and then else, to mean if condition is not satisfied, else we will just print just space std standard library south space like this. Yeah, and then as you know, if the first row or certain row finished, we need to start a new row or new line. That's why here we need to print out a new line south new line like this, then semicolon. All right, so let us now make compilation and learn program to check for an output. First of all, you see there is no error. We can now learn our program to check for an output. Yeah, you see, this is our output. As you see here, it's like what we want to print, this one. You see, as you see, they are same. So this is a simple way of how you can develop C++ program to print this kind of triangle pattern program. So don't miss subscribe and open the bell so that you will always update it when we are uploading a new video, right? So this is the end of today's lesson. Tomorrow I'll show you how to develop C++ program to print like a triangle pattern program but with numbers. So let me see you soon.